1932 Roadster Parade Car. Price, $3,500. Location, Fairplay, Missouri. Shriner Style 1932 Roadster Parade Car is a custom-built miniature hot rod designed to capture the timeless look of a classic 1932 Ford Roadster in a fun, compact package. Built as a parade and show vehicle, this mini car combines vintage hot rod styling with simple, reliable operation, making it perfect for weekend cruising, community events, and car shows. Powered by a small gasoline engine with an electric start and keyed ignition, it is easy to operate and delivers dependable performance for low-speed driving. The custom-built body features a bright red finish that attracts attention wherever it goes. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1998 Formula Mazda race car. Price, $21,000. Location, Crescent, Texas. 1998 Formula Mazda race car is a purpose-built open-wheel racing machine developed for serious track competition. Once part of the IndyCar driver development ladder, this Formula car is engineered for speed, precision, and reliability. It has been professionally maintained and is currently supported at the Formula Mazda factory facility located at Motorsports Ranch in Crescent, Texas, where factory service, technical support, and driver coaching are available. Power comes from a modified Mazda 13B rotary engine producing approximately 185 horsepower. Combined with a race weight of only 1,280 pounds including the driver, the car delivers exceptional acceleration and razor-sharp handling. 1954 Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price, $12,500. Mileage, 19,467 miles. Location, Gainesville, Florida.
Hey everyone, Ariel here with PGA Automotive. Today I've got something very unique for you guys. 1954 body Volkswagen Dune Buggy, a Myers-Manx replica. Super neat. It's got a newer motor. All the details are going to be in the description. The odometer shows 19,000 miles. Of course, it's hard to confirm the actual mileage with something that old, but yeah, presents very well. A good toy for the summer, especially here in Florida. Now that summer is ending, it's going to be even more pleasant. If you want to take this out on the beach, you can, but it's got the nice seats. The driver one is movable, so it can go backwards and forwards. Go ahead and fire it up. Idles really well. And there you go. So super nice. It's got headlights right here, a horn, as well as turn signals on both sides. So
1954 Volkswagen Dune Buggy is a beautifully built Myers-Manx replica that captures the spirit of the legendary 1960s beach cruisers while benefiting from modern mechanical upgrades. Built on a classic Volkswagen chassis and finished in a vibrant orange exterior with a black interior, this buggy offers a perfect blend of vintage styling, open-air freedom, and dependable performance. Power comes from a 1,641 cubic centimeters Volkswagen flat-4 engine, paired with a 1967 swing-axle manual transmission for a fun and engaging driving experience. The drivetrain has been thoroughly refreshed with a new generator, battery, voltage regulator, and upgraded battery cables, ensuring reliable operation whether you're cruising the streets or attending weekend car events. The braking and fuel systems have also received significant attention, including a flushed fuel tank, rebuilt master cylinder, rebuilt brakes on all four corners, and brand new brake lines and rubber hoses throughout. 1961 Lotus Super 7 Replica. Price, $12,500. Mileage, 6,500 miles. Location, Rocheport, Missouri. 1961 Lotus Super 7 Replica is a lightweight, street-legal performance roadster built from the renowned McSorley 442 low-cost plans and titled in Missouri as a 1961 Lotus Super 7 Replica. Completed in 2016 by its original builder, this one-owner car delivers an authentic open-air driving experience with razor-sharp handling, combining classic British sports car styling with dependable Japanese mechanical components. Power comes from a rebuilt 1983 Toyota 22, our engine upgraded with AMP microsquirt electronic fuel injection, crank trigger loss spark ignition, turbo-sized injectors, and ARP head studs, leaving the engine fully prepared for a future turbocharger installation. A lightweight aluminum flywheel improves throttle response, while boost and air-fuel ratio gauges are already installed to support future performance upgrades. 1935 Ford Miller Race Car Replica. Price, $12,500. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Rochester, New Hampshire. 1935 Ford Miller Race Car Replica is a handcrafted tribute to the legendary Miller Ford race cars of the 1930s, built with an all-steel, hand-formed body that captures the spirit of vintage American motorsport. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a red interior, this unique replica combines classic pre-war race car styling with authentic hot rod craftsmanship, making it a standout piece for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Power comes from a traditional Ford flathead V8 engine equipped with dual carburetors, delivering the unmistakable sound and character that made the flathead famous in early racing history. 1963 Volkswagen Custom Beetle. Price, $10,500. Mileage, 13,650 miles. Location, Milesburg, Pennsylvania. 1963 Volkswagen Custom Beetle is a one-of-a-kind show car that combines the timeless charm of a classic VW Beetle with an unexpected Rolls-Royce-inspired front-end conversion. Finished in a vibrant orange exterior with a black interior, this custom build stands out wherever it goes, offering a unique blend of vintage German engineering and luxury-inspired styling that is guaranteed to spark conversations. Powered by Volkswagen's reliable air-cooled engine and paired with a manual transmission, the Beetle delivers the simple, engaging driving experience that has made these classics popular for generations. Its lightweight construction and easy-to-maintain mechanical design make it an enjoyable cruiser for weekend drives, local car meets, and classic vehicle events. 1965 Shelby Daytona Coupe. Price, $75,000. Mileage, 5,000 miles. Location, Garland, Texas. 1965 Shelby Daytona Coupe by B&B Manufacturing is a professionally built continuation-style replica of one of the most iconic endurance race cars in motorsport history. Completed in 2012, this example carries strong Shelby-inspired styling and performance upgrades while maintaining a road-usable setup with modern comfort features. Power comes from a 427-stroker Cobra-style V8 engine paired with MSD ignition, delivering aggressive horsepower and a classic American muscle car character. The engine is mated to a 5-speed Borg-Warner manual transmission, giving the driver full control over power delivery and a more engaging driving experience compared to traditional automatics. 1962 Volkswagen Beetle. Price: $6,750. Mileage: 735 miles. Location: Goreville, Illinois. 1962 Volkswagen Beetle Mini T is a custom-built convertible hot rod that transforms a classic VW Beetle into a lightweight, open-air street machine with a rat rod-inspired attitude. Finished in a silver exterior, this build blends vintage Volkswagen simplicity with a stripped-down hot rod personality that makes it stand out at any cruise-in or local show. Powered by a traditional Volkswagen flat-4 engine paired with a manual transmission, it delivers the familiar air-cooled sound and easy driving experience these classics are known for. The setup is lightweight, simple, and reliable, making it ideal for relaxed weekend cruising and fun around town. 2015 Custom Dune Buggy. Price: $6,500. Location: Greensboro, North Carolina. 2015 Custom Dune Buggy is a lightweight, open-air off-road style vehicle built for casual cruising and fun driving rather than high-performance racing. Titled as a 2015 custom build, it carries a modern registration identity while still following the classic Dune Buggy concept. Simple, stripped down, and designed for relaxed driving enjoyment. Powered by an unspecified gasoline setup, it features a straightforward mechanical layout typical of custom Dune buggies, focusing more on lightweight fun and easy handling than complexity or high horsepower. 1998 Caterham Super 7 race car. Price: $24,999. Mileage: 33,459 miles. Location: Sewanee, Tennessee. 1998 Caterham Super 7 VX 1600 is an authentic lightweight British-style track-focused roadster, originally used as a Caterham Scholarship race car in the company's driver development program. Imported from the United Kingdom, this example carries strong motorsport heritage along with extensive documentation, including service records from new and factory inspection history. Power comes from a 1.6L Vauxhall-based engine producing around 120 horsepower, enhanced with performance upgrades such as a big valve ported head, Kent camshaft, and a lightweight skeleton flywheel. The engine has been dyno-tuned for performance and responsiveness, delivering strong acceleration in a very lightweight chassis. The car is known for its raw, direct driving feel and rapid throttle response. The drivetrain is paired with a manual transmission designed for quick shifting, supported by a lightweight setup that makes the car extremely agile and engaging on both road and track. Upgraded GAZ shock absorbers, nearly new tires, and fresh brake components contribute to strong handling and braking performance.